Earning without investment often involves leveraging your skills, time, and resources. Here are some ways. 1. Freelancing. Offer your skills online, writing, graphic design, programming, etc. through platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or freelancing websites. Invest time in building a portfolio to showcase your abilities. 2. Content creation. Start a blog, YouTube channel, or social media presence focusing on your interests or expertise. As your audience grows, you can earn through ads, sponsorships, or affiliate marketing without any initial investment. 3. Online surveys and tasks. Participate in online surveys, microtasks, or testing websites apps. While these won't make you rich, they can provide a small income without requiring any monetary investment. 4. Teaching and tutoring. Share your knowledge by tutoring students online or teaching a skill you excel in. Platforms like Udemy or Teachable allow you to create courses without upfront costs. 5. Utilize your assets. If you have a car, consider ride-sharing or delivering services. You can also rent out a spare room or property on platforms like Airbnb. 6. Affiliate marketing. Promote products, services, and earn a commission for each sale made through your unique affiliate link. Many companies offer affiliate programs that are free to join. 7. Online marketplaces. Sell items you no longer need on platforms like eBay, Etsy, or Facebook Marketplace. You can also flip thrift store finds or create crafts from recycled materials to sell. Remember, while these methods don't necessarily require financial investment upfront, they do require time, effort, and sometimes initial learning. Success often comes from consistency, dedication, and finding the right